Hello everybody and welcome. As we like to do every week, we like to take a look at the past week's market activity. Today we're getting a jump on it because we're actually starting Monday morning and the market's open, unlike Sunday night when we usually put this together. So the market today is tanking a fair amount. All the indices are down. This is the S&P 500. It's down about 1%. You can see up here basically the numbers. So this is the S&P 500, the ETF SPY, down 1%. If I go over to the NASDAQ, you can see that's down 1.75%. And if I go to the Russell, you can see 1.7%. So they're all down quite a bit today. So what are we going to get into today? Well, it seems like a good day to get into the oil business. So I'll show you. Here's an oil chart. And we all know, of course, that oil has been shooting up for a long time. And then all of a sudden in the last few months, it's collapsed. Which means, as you can see here, volatility has been shooting up. And we love when that happens. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a trade in XOP, which is just an oil ETF, as you can see right here, oil and gas ETF. Just like the SPY, Qs, TLT, all these things we trade ETFs, which I like to do in very volatile markets, is stay in the ETF biz. This one is for oil. So again, volatility is high. We're going to go, you'll see now we'll pull up the trade. I'll go right here. We go to the 39-day expiration cycle because it's a lot more liquid in this stock than these at 46. So even though this is closer to 45 days, again, liquidity is always more important to us, and 39 is much more liquid than 46. I've already set this one up to save us the trouble. I'll go back to the charts as well so you can see where it's going to land. So we're going to go around $15 up and down and create an Iron Condor. So right here you can see the stock price is around 115, 116. So $15 up puts us at the 131 call. $15 approximately down goes us to the 100 put. And then in this case, we're forced to go $5 wide because of the strikes. There's no $1 strikes at this level. So we're going to go $5 wide, which means we're going to multiply 33 cents, because that's the minimum we're looking for when we trade Iron Condors, 33 to 50 cents per dollar width. And because this is $5 wide now, the minimum we're going to make for this trade, look to get for this trade, is 165. You can see right now, obviously, it's a lot higher, which is perfect. Right now we're here. You can see the range is there, but we're going to go somewhere in the middle. So we'll put this in at like $1.80, see if we can get filled. But as long as we get at least $1.65 or more, we are fine with this trade. And that's our trade for today in XOP, which is an oil ETF. Hello everybody, Cal here with what I believe is an exciting opportunity. But just before we get started, I want to make sure you're aware that I do have quite a few courses up on Udemy. All the ones that are available are listed here. And some people don't know that these first three here are an actual three-part series. So number one in the series would be understand options, number two would be basic option strategies, and number three would be make and manage profitable trades. Again, if you're taking one, now you know that it's a three-part series. You might want to take part 2 and 3, or if you're in 2, take 3, etc. And then I have a couple extra courses there as well. But the purpose of this video is because I want to get you up and trading as quickly and confidently as possible. And the best way I've come up with to do that is to create a trade alert so you can watch me trade in real time. You can trade alongside with me. You can watch me trade. I send out 2 to 3 real-time trade alerts per week, and you can sign up for this by going to sharpertrades.com, clicking on the products button, and you'll see these 2 alerts pop up, Basic and Pro. They're both the same alert. The only difference between the two is Pro will give you access to all the courses I've created. But I want you to do this with as little risk as possible. So if you go to the Sharper Trades page and you type in this code, BASIC1 YTB, you will get the first month of the basic alert for only $1. So I can't really do it any cheaper than that, but I want you to have access to it so you can see if it's something you want to do and learn from. Again, you can cancel at any time. So in the first month, it's only $1. If you continue after that, it'll go up to $49 a month moving forward. But the first month is about as risk-free as you can get. It's only $1. And also, if you sign up for the Pro at the same time, you'll get a discount on that one for the first month as well before it kicks into the $99 a month. So, love to see you there. Love to get you up and trading as quickly and easily as possible. Take care.